Alright, welcome to 6.8 liter garage. It's getting close to Christmas. Matter of fact, Mrs. 6.8 liters in the house wrapping stuff right now. She asked me to create something for her mom, my mother-in-law. She has two Chihuahuas, Buddy and Dotty. And she asked me to create a sign or, a metal project for her. My mother-in-law, every time my wife and I go there, she asks if I've been doing anything in the garage. She's intrigued by these metal projects, so I think she'll like this. So I drew Buddy and Dotty and their name in a sign. I'm no laptop guy, but I've seen most of his tutorials, and I used some of the tools he showed us all, and came up with this drawing. So let's cut it out and see how it looks. Okay, got everything fired up. Cut 60s at 30 amps, got 55 pounds of air. This is 16 gauge metal. It's cutting at 110 inches per minute, and we're gonna launch it. Watch your eyes. Oh no. Okay, that's the Buddy and Dotty project. Let's see what we get. Scrap comes out, and there we go. I know you don't know Buddy and Dotty, but that looks like them. And by the time my wife gets done, Mrs. 6.8 liter is going to do some paint work on them. But let me get this cleaned up and we'll see what she thinks of it. Alright guys, that's the project for today. As you can see, I've started the painting process. I don't know how long that's going to take, but I'm responsible for turning Buddy black and then Dotty white. She's got a black nose. So as soon as this paint's dry, I'll mask off Buddy and Dotty's nose, and I'll hit her with some white spray paint. And then my wife's going to do the touch-ups. There's a little gray on Buddy, and Dottie's got some tan color on her ears, but that'll be for her to do, and maybe I'll put the picture of that at the end. But anyway, that's the quick project for this week. I appreciate you watching, and don't forget, if you've got an ArcDroid, you can always do a gift for somebody. My mother-in-law has no idea that my wife took these pictures and put this together for her, so anyway, another idea. Merry Christmas, and thanks for watching.